Solo highlighting is for me, I would say, the most intense feeling, which is about something unique where you really have to train yourself all the time. If you don't feel right, don't do it, and that's the thing. If you just have that feeling there's something wrong, just find it out what's wrong and then just think in solutions and make it better and try it another day. So when people are going highlining, they normally have a leash, they have safety. So when you don't have a safety, you're just by your own and you are the safety. So when you're fall during highlining and you have no safety, it's not good. Most of the people that I know use safety, but if you're walking without safety, you are yourself. I mean, you have to control yourself, you have to control your body, your muscles, and the most amazing thing is that it's always something different. I think there is no why exactly, so I just feel it to do it, and if I don't do it. So it's also really, really important you're not stressed, so to keep everything in your inner balance and really feel that you're free, that you can do everything what you want. So yeah, nice feeling.